This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Edward Gale. Landed owned. Large 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a family room. New roof installed in January of 2022. Large lanai with windows and screens flows into the family room. French doors from family room into the extra large living room. Perfect for entertaining. Kitchen with plenty of cabinets and a pantry. Kitchen overlooks the lanai with pass-throughs for beverages and food. Dining room has a built hutch and is large room. King-size master bedroom with an attached bathroom. 2 large closets in the master. Dual sinks and a L-shaped vanity. Stall shower. Queen-size guest bedroom also with full bathroom. Awnings fold down and attach to the home for storm protection. Huge storage shed with extra lockable room. Garage-style electric door with remote. For more information, review the details below or contact Edward Gale at 772-233-5391.